right, so dollar yen, a little bewildered, frankly, by dollar yen, you know, over the last, I don't know, month or so. You know, typically, and again, like you can never just fit everything in a box. But typically, you know, I've been trading for almost 20 years, but like typically you have, you know, dollar yen as a risk off type deal, right? We had just had, you know, equities got murdered. Dollar yen is holding up just fine. Even today, right? On a very short-term basis, but like, you know, S&Ps, Qs, things were down pretty good. Dollar yen is actually ripping. So here we are, the long-term chart or longer-term chart channel from the March 2020 low, right? Resistance, we started hitting it in October, went through in November, failed, went through again at the end of the year, failed. We talked about it in the first webinar of 2022, the Power Hour. We talked about these square root progressions and the top warning, and we actually did top and we sold off, but not nearly as much as I thought we would. If I zoom in now to, say, an hourly chart, my thinking, and I put that in quotes, is that we do have an impulse or a 5-wave move to the downside, and that we should find resistance possibly around 115 or so. Although I'll admit the rally from the low here is not looking corrective at this point. So again, dollar yen, a little confusing to me. I guess if you look at yields, it shouldn't be. But again, it's a different market environment than most of us are used to in terms of risk on, risk off. Like it's not that clean or that, you know, that simple, right? You have yields rallying, bonds down, equities down, and dollar yen is holding up very well. So just a different environment. But anyway, 115, pay attention to that. If you find a resistance there, maybe there's a short, but for now, not that clear to me.